Some of my favorite massagers have come from Comfier, so I am thrilled that they gifted me this Shiatsu Foot Massager, as this one is meant more as a foot warmer with massage, which is exactly what I want under my desk this winter. Let's unbox it and check it out. And one thing I really love about these massagers is they come ready to go right out of the box, and they make amazing gifts. And here it is, right off the bat. It is so soft inside and out. It's just this really plush little foot warmer that will massage you too. And it has a connected remote and then the input to plug it in. And then inside is the power plug, and it has a 6-foot cord, which I love as it gives me a lot more room in where I can plug this in. But is this super soft velvet exterior, really nice. The bottom has little rubber bits on it, so it shouldn't slide around. It does have these big tags, which I will cut off mine. And then the top, if you need to, is fully removable. So you can easily wash the entire piece where your feet go, so this can stay nice and clean. And then this is the actual base where the heat and the massage is. So I'm going to turn it on with just this base showing so you can see what it looks like. And this is super simple compared to a lot of the other massagers I've used. It only has a power button that's only on and off, and then you can turn on the massage and you can choose your rotation and then turn on or off the heat. So when I hit the power button, nothing happens yet, but then I could turn on the massage. And now it's rotating. You can see the rotations. And then I can turn the heat on, which is the key piece with this one, is it really is a lovely heated foot massager. And then I actually intend to leave the massaging portion off most of the time and just keep it as a nice foot warmer under my desk. Now the area around the massager and the heat is a puffy foam, so it's very supportive. And when you put the foot pad back on, you'll see that your heels and your toes are going to be on each side. So all of this heat and massage is right in the arch of your foot. And it was very easy to remove the zipper, and it also isn't that hard to put it on, unlike so many massaging devices. You just gotta slide it on, make sure it catches, and then pull. Now with the top on, that heat really should disperse through the whole area and be really inviting. And of course you can remove this shortcut sticker and you're good to go. This is a lovely heating pad and shiatsu massager from Comfier.